the best opportunity online for stay-at-home moms or even a full-time worker or part-time. This opportunity, you can make money from home on a daily, weekly basis, and we're gonna go ahead and dive into this content. And yes, right below this video, there's a link where you can sign up today so you don't have to wait any longer. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And we're gonna talk about how you can get paid weekly, daily, or even monthly right from the simple and easy system for anybody can do. Even if you're a beginner or if you're not even tech savvy, this can help you today. So right below this video, I do have a link where you can click to get signed up. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. So let's go ahead and look at this. Zero experience needed. You see it right on the screen. Earn anytime, anywhere. So if you're a stay-at-home mom or even a full-time nurse or full-time worker, this is perfect for you because you can do this anytime, anywhere across the world. So when you go ahead, click on the link below to get signed up, you'll need to go ahead and check your email inbox and then get logged into the system. And then you go to the VIP experience training in the back office where we can go ahead and train you where you can start earning income and building a business and helping people all over the world, just like we're doing right now for you. So we want you to go ahead, go to the system, and you'll log into the back office and you'll go right to this VIP experience training. First, start at the intro, watch this video here, and you go all the way down to finish strong. So we want to make sure you're trained and making sure you're supported for you can go ahead and start having success right from home. Foundation is a good place to start as well because you'll learn the foundation of Heal. You'll learn the foundation of how the system works and how it can help you really have success this year, next year, and years in between. We want to help you completely. So when you go down to action and when you go ahead and fill out this information, you go take action on the information that's here. All these videos is here every step of the way where you can take action. So these assignments that you see underneath each of these videos, you want to go ahead, download the information and start taking action in each step. When you get to the advisor section, you want to go ahead and schedule your strategy call. Schedule right there, schedule call time, and then click on any of these dates that works for you and your schedule, but we can go ahead and talk with you and work with you every step of the way. We don't want you lost. We don't want you confused. And if you are confused, we're here to basically give you the information to help you move forward. We're all a family here, so we're making sure that you are not really, you're just kind of out there and you're not really sitting there just guessing. We want to have the answers for your questions. So you go ahead and click on the date. So let's say December 5th, and then I'm going to say 1 p.m. When you click on 1 p.m., you confirm that. Then you fill out this information here. Basic information about you and how we can serve you as well. So that information is very key to helping you success. So all this information here, and then that way you'll be ready to build a business right from home. That way you'll be ready to really go ahead and have success right from the system. Now, one area that I also want you to show you when you go log into the system, you log into the system here. You want to go to leaderboard. You want to go to frequent asked questions. Now, frequent asked questions is an area if you have questions about the system. So frequently asked questions are common questions that you may have questions. So when you click on the link below and you go through the process of signing up and going ahead and upgrading and being a part of the family, these are questions here that can help you about here. So first, welcome, watch this first, just like this, because I know you're a stay-at-home mom or you're a full-time nurse or full-time employee or even part-time. We want to make sure that each spot in this, each area of this whole system is for you. So watch this information. It gets as a good welcome video, tells you about Heal. And then after that, there's more information about Heal. What is Heal? What are our products and digital services? What are our products of physical products, which we have physical products as well. Each of these videos explains to you. And as you see over to the right, that's Stephen Munson, the CEO of Heal, and he's there to basically just give you all the goods and give you all the information that you need to move forward. So how to get started, information about VIP experience that we already talked about. And those VIP experience is a step-by-step process and training method to help you get success, help you get results. I should say that, because you're already going to be successful, because I already know it. So getting and running traffic is a good area. You need to run traffic in your business to go ahead and grow your business. So you need prospects, you need customers that coming through your link and through your opportunity website for you can go ahead and have success as well. We're going to tell you and show you how to do all that. So not only you have the VIP experience, you have the frequently asked questions section here as well. So you have this Aweber. This is your autoresponder, the email autoresponder. We have that for you as well, how you set that up as well. And then it's the part I'm sure you're excited about and you want to know more about it, and that's the commission and how to get paid. Now, it is steps of how to get paid, and there's certain things you have to do, but it's simple and easy in terms of setting that up and having the information for you can go ahead and get paid. So how does the bonuses work? We have a good bonus system here. So we reward people who really works hard and do the work and has success. So the bonus structure is really, really fabulous. And then also after you sponsor someone, what are the next steps to do? And we have the information for that as well, as Daniel Kump talks about this in this video right here. Now, if you're sitting there like, oh man, this might be too much information, you know what? You can always email us here. Just click there, email us at support@healworldwide.com as well. But we can answer your question and you won't be lost. So, and also access our private Facebook group. Be a part of our Facebook group. All you do here is click there, or you can always email us to be a part of our Facebook group, where we can give you the material and give you the information to move forward. So basically, it goes back to here. Want to get paid daily, earn anytime, anywhere. Zero experience needed. It's a done for you system. This system is done for you. We have the information here for you can be successful. If you like copy and pasting, if you like learning things, if you like making money from home as a stay-at-home mom or a full-time nurse or a part-time worker, these are good for you because you need something that's a little easy for you. You want something where if you're sitting by the beach, you're able to make an income from home. This is time to do it. And that's why we created this system for you can have success and you can go ahead and be able to tell other people about it. Like, you know what? I'm having success here. I have this really good daily pay system that I'm doing. I implement the information in here each and every single time. So one more area I want to show you here is the training experience. And that's what you got. Training and experience. Now check your email inbox. Check your email inbox when you sign up. So when you click on the link below this video right now, look for a Discover Heal actually message and then log into the information and get right to this back office so you can start the training. Now, if you have any information that you just lost, email us at support@healworldwide.com and we'll help you every step of the way. We want you to start the training so you can go ahead and start implementing the system and start having success online. Now, one area I do want to show you here that we didn't talk about, and this is part of the Heal VIP experience. This is part of the Heal VIP experience, and that is the incoming activities. Now, I do want you to watch all this video and do the information here. Now, go intro all the way down to finish strong. The incoming activities is really going to set you apart for you to have even more success online. Now, I want you to watch this video and also download this information here that says incoming producing activity. The PDF is really downloadable to do. So you download it just like this, and it actually gives you the information that you need to do. Self-motivation, block time, and set IPA, which is incoming producing activities. Now, print this out, or if you can save it on your computer or take notes in your notebook of all this information here. It's really valuable to your success. We laid this out for rethinking that we can help the stay-at-home mom, as I'm talking to you right now, full-time nurse, part-time worker, or full-time worker, and you're working long hours at your job and you just really need more time with the family. You want to make money from home. You want to be able to, do more things on the weekends, right? So it's good to have a plug-in system for you can go ahead and have success and have a good time. So I'm going to go right back to this page here. Want to get paid daily, earn anytime, anywhere. This is time for you to do that. So click on the link below to get signed up on this system. Check your email inbox, log in, and let's go ahead and do it. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.